Yeah, right on. Okay, so the d4 pawn is under attack, so I'm going to defend it. Yeah, it opens up the room for my bishop to come out. All right, so let's see next. They brought out their knight. What am I going to do? I'm going to bring out my knight. I like the way this is shaping up. Okay, so this is the London system. It says that I've played it 5 times with an 80% win. That means I've won 4 out of 5. I guess that's good. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Just going back here for a second here. Yeah, I did. That's what I wanted to do. But they're telling me that the best move is to move the knight. I don't like that move. I'd rather get the bishop out while I can. Oh, so this is one of the things is like they have made a mistake. Should have brought the queen out. Queen out. See, that would have been their better move, but they didn't do that. So now let's see if I can take advantage of this. What does this do next here? That's what I did. I captured the free pawn because I could. Now what are they going to do? Yeah, if they'd moved the other pawn, they could have developed their bishop. They didn't do that. Right, bringing my knight out. That's what I wanted to do. Now, why did they do that? Why would they bring the queen to g4? Because they defend like that their pawn on d5 was defended. Now it's like wide open. I think it's wide open. I can take it anyway. Yeah, I took it because I know that my knight can be taken. They should probably take my knight, but if they take my knight, then I'm going to take their knight with my queen. So let's see what they do. Yeah, see, that's nuts. Why did they do that? That just seems like a blunder. So, yeah, I'm going to, like, I bring my knight in here, right? Which means now I've forked the king and the rook. So they have to move the king. They have to move the king. There's no way to take my knight. So the king has got to go. The king has got to go to e7. That's the only move. But look at that. I got the queen. I got the queen just lined right up here. If you can see this, it is so sweet. Isn't it? Checkmate is always the best move. That's a fun little checkmate game in 10 moves. How do you like that? I like that game. I'm going to save this one.